So for task 10K, use a copy of the database that is saved in 10 task, the previous task, 10J, to create a report for the manager listing invoice number, customer name, and then we have all product details, the order date, and quantity. And the order of all in the invoices, it's supposed to be placed between November and December. So that should include all the dates in November and all the dates in December as well, 2019. For that, I have already copy paste this previous one and I named it into 10K. So let's go to 10K. So we're going to create a new query. So let's go to the query design and let's add all our products supposed to be here. So I'm going to put one by one as I want. Let me do it in order. So let me see according to this order and let me arrange it. So I have the invoice number. Invoice number is supposed to be included in the invoice, obviously. So I'm going to add the invoice table as well. After that, I have the customer name. Customer name supposed to be in the customer table. So customer given name and family name. They didn't mention is it a full name or given name or family name. So just put both of them. And then here comes all the product details. So now we need to add a product code, all of these. Okay, and the last thing is supposed to be the order date. So order date and the quantity. So you can see over here you have the order date and the quantity from the invoice. Okay, after that they mentioned that the order for all the invoices, it's supposed to be between November and December. So for that, we're going to go to the order date over here. So if we run it now, let's check it how many records we have. We have 49 records. Let's go and add the criteria. So the criteria saying it needs to be between November and December. So to include the November, I'm going to say it's supposed to be larger than. So what is the last date in before November? That's supposed to be 31st of October. So I'm going to type it in this way. And that is in 2019 according to the question. So it's supposed to be larger than 2000. So let's just run this to make sure, excuse me, to make sure our date format is correct. So you can see over here, the way it is the date format is mentioned. Okay, that is correct. So it is DD, MM, and Y 4 times. Now we need to mention, and it's supposed to be less than January, so it's supposed to include December. So what is the last date, the first date after December? That's supposed to be 1st of January of 2020, right? So now this is not going to be included, but it will include the date before January, which is December. And this is going to start from the first day of November, as 31st of October is not going to be included. So now let's run it and let's check it. Can you see over here? We have November 2 dates, November 2 dates and 3 dates in December. Okay, so these are all the points. We have to do it now in the query. Okay, you can see it is the same point over here that got mentioned. And now we need to create just the report. So the report is the final point. So let's just save this under the name task 10K. And we need to it's supposed to be between November and December. Okay, so let me just close it and let me just copy this name because I'm just going to paste it in the query as well in the report. Let's go to create. After that, let's go to report wizard and let's select our query from here, add all of it, all of the fields. Next, just leave it as it is, nothing also over here. And I prefer to use landscape if nothing is mentioned in the paper, so I'm just going to go for landscape, especially if I have a lot of fields. If it is mentioned, then you have to stick to whatever is mentioned in the paper. Let's paste it and let's finish it. And now we just need to final arrangement. So we can go over here to layout view. Okay, most of the things are actually arranged over here. I don't need to, just minor adjustments. So I am almost done. You can also see that there are some formatting methods or arrangement methods that you can select it and you can arrange it over here on these. I usually prefer to do it manually on some from these alignments and some manually, which is going to make it really neat and clean. So these are all our for this our task. So final thing, we just need to arrange, we need to edit the date. So we can just put all orders between November and or in November and December 2019. Okay, that's it. Just save it and let's go to the next task.